Hi beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of some skincare that I'm really thrilled to have that is perfect for fall. So if you'd like to find out more, then just keep watching. I was contacted by a company to review some new skincare and I'm really happy about it. When I'm contacted by companies to review products, I don't review everything that is offered to me. I turn down a lot of things, but I really wanted this product. Get Pumpkin and Spice is the actual website, but I believe the company's name is Pumpkin and Spice. I'll link everything down below. The bundle that I received is the Ultimate Skincare Day Bundle. It's worth $179. I'm not sure how much it cost on their website, but that's what it's worth. Pumpkin and Spice is a vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatologically approved skincare collection enriched with pumpkin seed oil and pumpkin spice. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, and other antioxidants. Therefore, it has incredible benefits for the skin. It mainly assists in keeping the skin moisturized, fighting acne, and is anti-aging. So I got this box and I have not opened it, guys. I love skincare. I talk about skincare and the benefits of great skincare all the time here on my channel. I am a firm believer that really good skincare can make your overall appearance better. I have watched back some of my videos that I filmed a long time ago, and I used to have the worst wrinkles right here in the center of my forehead, and the only thing that I have done is just kind of switched up my skincare. I am older now than I was when I first started my channel. Now I use more products that are good for anti-aging, and they just have really helped firm my skin and help with the wrinkles. And because I can see huge benefits from having good skincare, I am a big advocate for good skincare. This is what I have in the box. That's beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. In this baggie here, I have Pumpkin and Spice Face Mask, Pumpkin and Spice Jelly Cleanser, Pumpkin and Spice Facial Scrub Exfoliator, Pumpkin and Spice Daily Moisturizer. I have the Pumpkin and Spice bag, facial towelettes, and facial cleansing brush, and one coupon. Okay, that's what's in my bag here. So let's get into it. Love this bag. I love this. This is so cute. I love that. So let's see what we got in here. I have my glasses on here, guys. I want to read a little bit about each of the products, so bear with me here. The cleanser, the jelly cleanser, it says cleanse and purify the skin with our gentle foaming jelly cleanser with nutrients derived from plant oils. Remove all traces of makeup using our unique formula, great for all skin types. Now that is going to be amazing if it removes makeup. Not all cleansers do that, so I can't wait to find out whether it does that. For daily use, massage a small amount into wet skin on face, eyes, and neck before rinsing with warm water. This first sentence is in a language I don't know. And it says the perfect foaming jelly cleanser made from organic pumpkin seed to leave your skin clean and soft. I love this packaging. Like, this looks like really good quality. This looks like something I would see at Sephora. Sure does. You know, I can't wait to find out if it smells like pumpkin. It does. Oh, it smells like pumpkin. So this is so perfect for fall. Oh my gosh. So that's what the jelly, that's what the cleanser is like, okay? I don't have any water to add to it, but that's what the cleanser looks like. And it does smell like pumpkin. Oh, this is going to be, I see you guys. I see you launching this in the fall. I see you. This is going to be fun to use in the fall, getting close to Thanksgiving, pumpkin spice. Hey, I know I'm going to enjoy this. So now let's talk about the facial scrub exfoliator, and the print is a little smaller, so it may take me a little bit more time here, but experience our autumn harvest all year long with our pumpkin spice facial scrub exfoliator. Natural apricot seeds gently scrub away dead skin cells while vitamin-rich pumpkin and oat kernel protein nourish the skin and work together to build up natural defense barriers. Your skin is left feeling renewed and radiant all day long. For daily use, moisten face and gently massage scrub in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Use AM or PM. Apply pumpkin and spice moisturizer afterward. So I can't wait to use that. This is 5 ounces and this is 3.4 ounces. And it says with organic pumpkin seed oil and natural spices to gently exfoliate your skin. So this is what the exfoliator looks like. It is a yellow color and it has some little fine brown seeds here. It may look white with my lights, but it's like a pale yellow color. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I love exfoliators like this where I can feel the little granules, but they are very fine. So it's not going to be too abrasive on my skin when I'm exfoliating my skin. And it also smells like pumpkin and spice. This is lovely. That's lovely. I can tell, guys. Now let's talk about the moisturizer. So the moisturizer says this is a lightweight and long-lasting cream that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth, fast absorbing and non-greasy. It is formulated to help heal dry skin and form a protective barrier against the elements. It even lasts through hand washing, is gentle enough for sensitive skin, and free of artificial colors and steroids. That's nice. For daily use, apply to face and body to help soothe and moisturize. Use before applying your makeup. Reapply throughout the day as needed. So you can use it on other parts of your body. So that's good. I will be using it for my face. I don't want to waste it. This is the Daily Moisturizer Pumpkin and Spice Day Moisturizer with organic pumpkin seed and natural spice to hydrate, protect, and leave your skin beautifully scented for all skin types. And this one has 3.4 ounces. Every one of them has a little plastic, whatever kind of cover to protect the product. So that's good. No tampering there. And let's see what the moisturizer feels like. This will be the kicker here, is the moisturizer. It was white. Oh yeah. This is nice and rich, but feels like it could be worn in the daytime. And it has a little bit of a tacky feel right now. But we'll see what it feels like once it completely dries. Feels like it could be worn day or night. The face mask says our pumpkin spice infused face mask is a super powered 4-in-1 formula that will draw out impurities, cleanse your pores, brighten your skin, and leave your face feeling silky smooth. It says to remove impurities and improve complexion, apply an even layer to clean dry skin, avoiding eye and lip area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove with warm water and dry with a towel. For best results, use 2 times a week. Okay, let's take a look at the face mask here. So I'm assuming this is going to be a glass jar because it's bubble wrapped. It's nice that it was bubble wrapped here. And it has a little symbol, an and symbol. Ooh, and symbol. Hey. Pumpkin spice face mask. Detoxify and brighten. And this one has 3.5 ounces. Ooh. It looks like a mud mask. It looks like mud there. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's nice and smooth. But I bet if I left it there, it would just kind of do what mud masks do. But that is nice. So that's what it looks like, but it has been laying on its side in the box. So that is nice. I can already tell that it's kind of drying down. So I cannot wait to use that. No directions for the brush. Seems like it's self-explanatory, as well as the cloth as well as the bag. And then I have a nice little terry cloth. Isn't it cute? I like it. It comes with a little bow. Isn't it funny how the slightest little thing gets you excited? Something as small as adding a little washcloth makes me happy. This is a super soft washcloth here. And it's got pumpkin and spice written here. It feels like terry cloth, guys. That is nice. That is actually nice. And then it comes with this little cleansing brush. So I guess I can just use this to help scrub, because it's this cleansing brush. Yes, facial cleansing brush. Let's see what that feels like. Oh, it feels nice. It feels like a very high quality brush. It says pumpkin and spice on it. These products feel and look very high end, like very comparable to any product I've ever purchased myself. I like the look of the product. I like how everything smells. The people who contacted me were very responsive. I can always tell when I'm communicating with a company whether I'm really gonna like them just based on how they communicate with me. They provided me a lot of information, good information about their product, so that I can make my decision about whether to collaborate with them. It's dermatologically approved, naturally sourced cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg oil. They seem to have really good ingredients in this product. It's a more high-end product. Definitely comparable to prices of some of the skincare that I purchased from Sephora and other places like that. But I'm telling you guys, when it comes to skincare, I definitely tend to spend a little bit more money on my skincare because I only got one face. I only got one face, and I try to take care of it. And I'm seeing some before and after pictures on their website where some people had maybe some acne prone skin and their skin improved after using this system. I've had a few issues with the face mask breaking out my face a little bit. I'm really thrilled to have these, and I cannot wait to try them. So I'm going to dedicate time to these products. I'm going to suspend use of some of my other skincare products so that I can really come back and be able to tell you guys how well this whole system works. It has everything that I need, so I can't wait. I'm even going to try this moisturizer like during the day under my makeup so that I can tell you how it wears under my makeup. So hopefully this will be showing up in my favorites. But so far, I am really, really impressed with everything that I see here. I love the smell of this. This is perfect for fall. I will link all of their information down below. Be sure to check them out because I'm telling you guys, this is quite promising. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I will respond. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you leave. So I'll be seeing you guys again very soon in my next video. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy signing out.